Are your kids glued to the iPhone? I just found a way to get your kids to ditch their devices for good using a simple technique that nobody's talking about. The number one problem that parents come to me is that kids are lacking when it comes to focus and staying active. It's mostly because they're glued to their devices. What most parents try to do in order to solve this problem is that they scold them and they lecture them. But why this doesn't work is because you know kids, the more you tell them to do something, the more they do the opposite thing. The whole process can be really frustrating for parents. It's like you're fighting an uphill battle. Trust me, I've been there. So I'm going to show you guys a technique that I utilize inside my program that is literally built to get children to get motivated and start taking action. As an added bonus, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide that will instantly help your kids become influential leaders, whether it's in school, on their teams, or in their communities. Drop a line below and I'll send it over. My name is Jay Bhakta and I'm the owner of Base Case and Build, where I've taught hundreds of kids the strategies and habits of the top 1% of the wealthy to give them an unfair advantage we wish we had at their age. Not only do they get to learn these habits, we show them how to apply it in their lives. In every single video, you're going to get a new strategy that you can immediately implement after watching. Let's get to it. Today we're diving into one of my favorite concepts from the book Rigging the Game, called Closer Over More. Closer Over More is all about making choices that truly align with your goals. So if you're ready to transform how you approach what's most important to you in your life, keep watching. Closer Over More is a simple yet powerful idea. It means focusing on actions that bring you closer to what's most important to you rather than chasing more of the things that don't really matter. It's about quality, not quantity. Why is this approach so important? Well, it helps your kids avoid distractions and stay on track. It's easy to get caught up in doing more, but if those activities don't align with their goals, they're just distractions. Closer Over More keeps them focused and efficient. Let's look at some examples. Imagine you want to be a great basketball player. Spending hours playing video games might be fun, that's the more part, but will that help you improve your skills on the basketball court? No. Practicing your shooting and dribbling will, the closer part. Or you might be aiming to ace the science fair. Watching endless TV won't help, researching and experimenting will. Closer Over More teaches kids intentional choices. It's about identifying and prioritizing activities that have real positive impact on their goals and learning to say no to distractions that don't contribute to their progress. This approach not only helps them achieve their goals more efficiently, but also instills a mindset of purposeful action and discipline, which is invaluable in all areas of their life. Now, how can they apply this? Here's a step-by-step guide to help your kids focus on meaningful progress towards their goals using the Closer Over More approach. First, define your goals. Have your kids write down what it is that's most important to them and what it is that they truly want to achieve. Even most adults don't take the time to do this. Think about it. How can you move closer if you don't define it first? This reminds me of the movie Alice in Wonderland, when Alice is lost and doesn't know which path to take. If the most important thing to her is to get back home and she doesn't define that, she might take the wrong path that could lead her further away from where she ultimately wants to go. Also, she can be easily swayed by others into taking the wrong path, chasing more of the things that don't matter. Now, you definitely don't want your kids to be easily influenced by others. Next step is to assess their activities. Have your kids look at where they spend most of their time. Are these activities bringing them closer to their goals? They might find that most of their time is being spent on activities that fall in the chasing more category. This is a real eye-opener for a lot of kids. Next, you want to eliminate distractions. Have your kids cut out or reduce activities that don't align with their goals. Now they have defined what it is that they truly want, it'll be easy for them to recognize when they steer off course so you get right back on path. Here's a tip. Keeping a journal can be a great tool for reflection and avoiding repeated mistakes. Now you want to do regular check-ins. Review their progress weekly with them and adjust their actions as needed. They'll start noticing that they're making progress and gaining momentum, and you'll want to keep that momentum going. Also, when they start moving closer, they start experiencing immense growth, and this is going to go a long ways into building their confidence. Finally, and most important, celebrate their progress. Acknowledge your kids every step of the way that brings them closer to their goal. Remember, Closer or More isn't about doing less, it's about doing what truly matters. It's a mindset that can lead your kids to incredible achievements. So there you have it. Follow this framework and watch your kids change their habits and start taking action on their goals. I look forward to hearing your kids' progress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.